In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your audio track sound like a ghost in Capcut PC completely for free in less than 1 minute. Once you have your video clip loaded under the media bin and dragged onto the timeline, extract the audio by right-clicking and clicking Extract Audio. Now, assuming we want this audio piece to sound like a ghost, go under Voice Changer and then Voice Characters. And this is what it sounds like with the original soundtrack. How to export a video clip into an audio track or an MP3 file in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. Okay, so as we can see here, Ghost is the second option and it is a Capcut Pro feature. Click on it. Wait 5 to 10 seconds for this to download. Go to the beginning of the video and this is what this sounds like.
How to export a video clip into an audio track or an MP3 file in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. Okay.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more free CapCut video editing tutorials for PC, subscribe to the channel.